Play my new caps. Come on, listen. Come on, no problem. I don't like it. No,
Yes, this is the Mohun Bagan Super Giant team. Yes, the Super Giant in green jerseys, and you can see Jason Cummings, number 35. Yes, and they will be playing against Odisha FC. Yes, they will be playing against Odisha at their Odisha ground. So in Bhubaneswar they will be taking on this man, Jason Cummings, number 35, will be trump card. Yeah, Trump is very important, and Tom Eldred is also there. So Mohun Bagan will take on Odisha FC in their 7th match of the ISL. As for the Mohun Bagan, they are now in the 2nd position of the point table of ISL. They have played 6 matches. They won 4, drew 1 and lost 1. They scored 12 goals, but in the process they conceded 7 goals, and they have got 13 points. So Mohun Bagan is at the moment at 2nd position of the ISL table, behind Bengaluru FC, who have 17 points, 4 more than Mohun Bagan. Bengaluru lost in the last match. They lost the match, and Bengaluru have played 8 matches. Yes, 2 more matches than Mohun Bagan, and they won 6, drew 2 and lost 1, and they got 17 points. So if Mohun Bagan wins today and get 3 points, they will still be in the 2nd position, but they would play 1 match less than Bengaluru FC. As for the host Odisha FC, as all you know, Odisha is very powerful team in their courtyard. They at the position, they are at the 9th position in the ISL table. They have played 7 matches. They won 2, drew 2 and lost 3. So they got 8 points. Odisha FC 8 points from 7 matches, and they scored 12 goals and conceded 13. So in this respect, Mohun Bagan enjoys the goal average also. They scored 12 and conceded 7 goals, and this man, Jason Cummings, is going through his paces. He is very important key person for Mohun Bagan Super Giant. Now let us see the matches which Mohun Bagan have played so far. In their first match, they played against Mumbai City FC at Salt Lake Stadium on 13th September, and it was a 2-all draw for Mohun Bagan and that Mumbai City FC. So first match was draw, and for Mohun Bagan, you can see Alberto Rodriguez scored the goals, whereas Tiri, he gave a gift to Mohun Bagan, whereas Mumbai City, Tiri and Tahir Karoma scored the goals. So Mohun Bagan drew first game against Mumbai City FC at their home ground, and they drew 2-all. In their second match, which was played on 23rd September at their home ground, Mohun Bagan Super Giant beat North East United by 3 goals to 2. And against North East United, which was the second match for Mohun Bagan, Jason Cummings, Subhashish Bose and Dipendu Biswas scored the goals for Mohun Bagan. and this is, you can see the tattoo on that Jason Cummings leg, left leg, and he's going through paces. That was the two home matches for Mohun Bagan, which Mohun Bagan collected 4 points, one draw and one win. The last win against Northeast United. But again, they went to Bengaluru, where they lost to Bengaluru by 3-0. So away, first loss to Mohun Bagan, and for Bengaluru FC, Sunil Chhetri, Suresh Singh and Edgar Mendes scored the goals. So first loss for Mohun Bagan in Bengaluru against Bengaluru FC. Mohun Bagan's Super Giant came back to Calcutta and played the first derby against Modern Sporting, the new entrant to this ISL family. Modern Sporting lost 3-0. Yes, the first derby Mohun Bagan won 3-0. And for Mohun Bagan, McLaren, Greg Stewart and Subhashish Bose scored the goal. So first win for Mohun Bagan in the derby against Modern Sporting Club. Now, back-to-back derby for Mohun Bagan Super Giant as they played against East Bengal. It was the home match for East Bengal, but it was a home away win for Mohun Bagan Super Giant when they beat East Bengal by 2-0. The goal scorers were Petratos and McLaren. Yes, McLaren was in form. And Mohun Bagan beat East Bengal by 2-0, which was the away match for Mohun Bagan. Then Mohun Bagan played against Hyderabad. That was another away match for Mohun Bagan, which Mohun Bagan beat Hyderabad Football Club by 2-0. And again Subhashish Bose scored the goal, the first goal for Mohun Bagan against Hyderabad. And again Manveer Singh scored. So Mohun Bagan scored 2 goals against Hyderabad FC and got 3 points. So after 6 matches, Mohun Bagan, now they are playing against Odisha FC, their 7th match, and this is also an away match. So 3 away matches on trot for Mohun Bagan. Odisha FC has a very notable scoring streak. Yes, netting in 16 out of their 17 home matches under Lobera's coaching, while Mohun Bagan Super Giant boasts a formidable defense that has kept 3 consecutive clean sheets. Yes, Odisha are very formidable side in Kalinga Stadium, Bhubaneswar. As you know that they have got Roy Krishna and Diego Mauricio, and Lobera must be having a full confidence in them. As all you know, for Odisha FC, Ahmed Jahu is set to become the first player to reach 100 ISL games under a single head coach. Yes, his midfield control should be watched for, but here at the moment, Mohun Bagan have a very confident look on their faces. But the man in form is, you can say, Greg Stewart for Mohun Bagan, as his 8 goal contributions, yes, 3 goals and 5 assists against Odisha are the most he has managed against any ISL side. So he is always a threat to Odisha, that you can say Greg Stewart, 8 goals, 8 contributions, 3 goals and 5 assists against Odisha FC. The predicted lineup for Mohun Bagan Super Giant: Vishal Kait, Ashish, Alred, Rodriguez, Subhashish, Thapa, Larling Mauya, Manveer, Petratos, Colasso and McLaren. For Odisha FC, Amrinder, Xavier, Ranawade, Fali, Gehlot, Khwaliring, Bomos, Ahmed Jahu, Ishaq, Rahim and Roy Krishna. So, all set for the match between Mohun Bagan Super Giant and Odisha FC to be played at Kalinga Stadium, Bhubaneswar today, and all eyes would be on Greg Stewart at Mohun Bagan side and that Ahmed Jahu, or you can say Roy Krishna for Odisha FC. Let's hope for the best. Let the best team win.